What does a veterinary technologist or vet tech do? They help veterinarians with diagnosing and treating animal diseases. They work in laboratories and research facilities. They analyze samples for diagnostic and research purposes. This is so that new treatments and therapies can be developed for various animal conditions. Working behind the scenes, vet techs make a valuable contribution to our animals' health and well-being. So, what goes on behind the scenes during a typical working day in the life of these highly skilled lab analysts? Let's ask vet tech Ottilia Mdluli. Ottilia is a vet tech who works in the field of academic research. As a research veterinary technologist, she conducts laboratory tests on animals for research purposes. On a typical day, Ottilia collects and processes samples. She also conducts various experimental lab tests. These vary from serology to hematology. Ottilia starts her day out in the field with a qualified vet, collecting samples such as blood, fecal matter, and tissue from animals. Before Ottilia can start processing the samples, she has to put on her PPE, personal protective equipment. She then processes the collected samples for lab testing using lab equipment such as centrifuges, incubators, and pipettes. The tests Ottilia performs each day vary. They include serological ELISA assays. These tests detect and measure antibodies or proteins in bodily fluid samples. She also conducts parasitology tests. This includes performing fecal air counts on samples of animal feces to monitor worm burden in animals. Ottilia also does cell culture testing. She grows cells for testing using special equipment such as a laminar flow hood, inverted microscope, and incubators. She also conducts hematology tests on blood samples from animals. This includes doing blood smears, staining them, and assessing the white blood cell counts. Ottilia's busy day as a vet tech ends with her analyzing the data she's gathered. She then reports her results to the research supervisor and the vet. And there you have it. Thank you, Ottilia, for giving us a glimpse of what a vet tech does every day. And thank you to all our highly skilled vet techs for furthering animal health with your valuable diagnostic and research work. Let's hear it for our vet techs. Don't forget Veterinary Technologist Day on the 23rd of April.